Lift your rib cage, tuck your tummy in, lengthen your spine, drop your shoulders, stretch your arms. Breathe in. As you breathe out, turn and look to your left. Okay, now breathe in, take a deep breath. As you breathe out, I'm going to pull you down. All the way down. Very good. Now press this against your ankle. Okay, now I'm going to lift this shoulder and back. Trust me, and just look up. Can you feel the stretch? Yeah, so we're going to hold it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now as you breathe in, I'm going to lift you up. Breathe in. And slowly bring your arms down. Turn your foot to face front. Walk your legs in. That's it. I'm going to ragdoll position.